Open. You're going to open the square one first.
Oh, and not for one on video, Jim. Oh, wait. I think it is.
What is it? What is it?
Ninjago!
Yeah, I told you.
Have different weapons. Oh, okay, do I have to open that from this side? I guess. What? What? Ninjago again? What? Ninjago spinners! A black one! I always wanted a black one!
You got it, man.
Woo!
You did good, man.
Woo!
Hand that to me. Don't throw
So how did Granny know all of those certain things to get, I wonder?
Man.
Genevieve, you stealing Bubba's spotlight.
Oh, man.
So look, Bentley. Say thank you, Granny.
Thank you, Granny.